Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can connect the AirPods to your Microsoft Surface device. So to start off you gotta somehow get to the Bluetooth settings. You can just tap on this little arrow pointing upwards, and in order to open active apps, should I say, or processes, whatever, tap on the Bluetooth icon, add a Bluetooth device. So make sure that the Bluetooth in your case is switched on, then tap on the Add Device option, Bluetooth, then open your AirPods and put them into the pairing mode, which is usually achieved through holding the power button at the back of the earbuds. Now just wait until they will appear in the list. Here they are. As you can see, they are successfully paired and connected. So now all the sound that will be played from this tablet or PC will be played through the AirPods. Let me quickly think how I can demonstrate you that. Is there any sound test I can perform in here? Not sure really. Alrighty, then I'll just open up the Microsoft Edge and play something from the browser, just to just to show you that those AirPods are actually connected and can be utilized. So I'll go to YouTube, let's say, and just turn on some random video or something. Let's say this one. Why not? I'll play this video and I hope you can hear that the sound comes through the AirPods. So great success already.
Rise of Kingdoms.
Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for watching this video. That will be it, and bye bye.